Hi, this is Binoy from Nagaland, Atomy distributor, and we have a biggest team in India called Team Warrior. So I'm doing my Atomy business by learning education from Team Warrior India, and we have dynamic leaders, we have experts. So from every corner of state, we have a leaders. So friends, I'm doing this business and I had ordered some products when company launch in the month of November. So, and I got the product also. And after using the product, the result, friends, the result which I got, or the members from my team, they got the result. Friends, I just can't believe. Atomy slogan is absolute quality, absolute price. Friends, it's 100%, 100% genuine. Because after using the product only, it make me realize that really is absolute quality, absolute price. So friends, sabi aji ami han Atomy te join kuri kina asole bi ami han bishi jon ita bi product purchase kora nai. Bishi manu doubt kuri ase holi bi friends aji ami han product la result dikhi ase. Result pai ase. Kon product cholai ase tahan iman bhal result pai ase. Etu moi ami han group te bi upload kuri di ase apni han friends pa bi honi thakibo pare. So friends, today I will just it make me happen to explain you about a beautiful product which I am using and which is a most demandable product in our place in Nagaland. So friends, that product is Atomy Evening Care Set. Okay, and this product is just amazing, friends, just amazing. I just can't believe, okay, the result which people are getting, those who are using, and even me in my family, the product, the result which we are just getting. Okay, so after using only we will know the result. Okay, now without using products we can shout that product is too costly, this and that. No, friends, just we are telling you that to get one product of Atomy, just have it, taste it product and see the result. Okay, then after that you will fall in love with Atomy products, friends, and you won't go for that particular product in market. So today I would like to tell you about our Atomy Evening Care Set. And in Evening Care Set we have four types of cosmetics products, four type of products, that is cleanser, deep cleanser, peel off marks and peeling gel. So almost this cleanser, deep cleanser is very reliable. So let me tell about a cleanser, why we should use cleanser. আমি cleanser to kile use kurubo lage. See, there are certain reason. Okay, আমি kile cleanser use kurubo lage. So we are using soap now from very long, and what happens after using the soap? See, soap contains a phosphorus. Okay, now phosphorus, what it does, whenever we clean our face with soap, so for time being our face seems to be very glow and very shining. Dirt used to be removed, but at the same time it makes our skin very dry. Okay, it makes our skin very dry, and which lead us to premature lines and wrinkles, and at very early age we seems to be very aged. Okay, so ki hoy ami han soap ki use kora pasute do ami han বেশি এজেড না, লাইক আৱাৰ স্কিন আমি হান ড্ৰাই হৈ যায় আৰু তাতে ৰিংকলছ আহিবলৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ যায়. আমি হান এনেই 40 years লগা না পুঞ্চা টাইম দিবি, লাইক 30 years লগা পুঞ্চা টাইম দিবি, আমি হান 40 years লগা দেখিবলৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ যায়. তো ইটছ অল বিকজ অফ দ্য soap which we are using from so long. Okay, so it is very important now. Itu bhai bisi important ase why we should go for cleanser. Okay, we should stop using soaps. Okay, so it contains very high content of phosphorus. So friends, see এতিয়া আমি হান ক্লিনজাৰ ইউজ কৰিছো কলি কি হ'ব? তো আজিকালি বেছি আমি হান প্ৰব্লেম আছে না, পিম্পলছ লা প্ৰব্লেম আছে, পিগমেন্টেশন প্ৰব্লেম আছে, আৰু এন্টি এজিং আছে প্ৰব্লেম। বেছি এজেড নহ'লে বি আমি হান স্কিন খান প্ৰায় আমি হান বেছি ওল্ড এজ দিখাই দি আছে। সো ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, লাইক এট দ্য ভেৰি আৰ্লি ইয়াং এজ উই সিমস লুক ভেৰি old age, and wrinkles used to appear. Then the skin is like very dry, and the skin looks like a dead, no glow on the screen. So somehow just we are managing. But moi kinka feel hoise, like after using the cleanser, I'm just using from last 2 days only, guys. So I can feel the difference. Okay, তো আমি 2 দিন পৰা ইউজ কৰি আছে, এণ্ড মই ডিফাৰেঞ্চ বি দেখিছে। তো মই বি ভাৱনা এটা ওলাইছে, এইটো আপুনি চবকে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব লাগে, কেলে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে আমি আজি ক্লিনজাৰ ইউজ কৰিবলৈ। এণ্ড ইটছ স্পেচিয়েলি ফৰ দ্য girls, okay, for ladies is very much important. For us, okay, we are very rough and tough, but we should also use, we gents should also use the product. Okay, now well, so let us see the cleanser, what how it will help us. Okay, first thing is that if we have a dead skin, like very dead, no glowy, so I will suggest use cleanser twice a day. যদি আপনি লাগা স্কিন তো বেশি ডেড হয়ে কিনে আছে, একো গ্লো নাই স্কিন দে, তো আপনি এইটো ক্লিনজাৰটো 2 বাৰ ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে। হলে বি যদি নৰ্মাল আছে, ঠিক ঠাক আছে, ইমান বিয়া বি হোৱা নাই, হলে তো আমি হান ওয়ান্স ইন এ ডে আমি হান ইউজ কৰিব লাগে। নাও ফাৰ্ষ্ট থিং কি আছে কইলে তো আমি হান ক্লিনজাৰ ইউজ কৰা পাছতে এইটো ডাৰ্ট কিমান লেতেৰা থাকে এইটো ৰিমুভ কৰে। সো ফাৰ্ষ্ট থিং ইজ দ্যাট ইট ৰিমুভস দ্য ডাৰ্ট, and a whole day when we go out, so there is a pollution, there is a virus, and there is a bacteria, so it makes our skin dead. Okay, the cell which we have on the skin, it can so morai di, so the skin's cell becomes dead throughout the day whenever we go out. So slowly and slowly ami han najane holi bi slowly and slowly it just attacking our skin. Okay, so first thing is that after using the cleanser, it will protect also, it will protect skin, and it will remove dirt. Second thing is that it will hydrate our skin. Okay, তো এইটো ক্লিনজাৰ ইউজ কৰা পাছতে আমি হান স্কিন তো হাইড্ৰেট বি কৰি দিব দেই তাইৰ পৰা। তো লাইক how it will help, regular facial cleansing is important for the face. It helps skin to maintain the proper level of hydration. Okay, so আমি হান কেটা রেগুলার স্টার্ট হব ইটো ইউজ কৰিবলৈ, তো আমি হান লা ফেস আস্তে 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 তাইৰ পৰা হাইড্ৰেট কৰিবলৈ স্টার্ট হব। ওকে, আৰু যদি আপনি লাগা স্কিন তো ডিহাইড্ৰেট আছে, তো আপনি লা স্কিন তো রাফ, রিঙ্কল, এজেড ইটো সব দেখিব। ওকে, সো ইটো একটা বেনিফিট। দেন আফটার ইউজিং ক্লিনজার there will be no more pimples. Okay, আমি হান পিম্পলস লা প্রবলেম সলভ আউট হয়ে যাব। সো we can solve the problems of pimples, and now we can see at the very early age we feel pimples on our skin. So regular usage of cleanser, it avoids, okay, so pimples problem will be solved, pimples la problem be solve hoi jabo, and some other benefits bi ase itula. To regular ami han jodi use kuri ase, ami han la skin to healthy dikhibo, very it will look radiant, then it will reduce anti-aging problem. Aro pore, আমি হান পোর থাকে তো স্কিনতে না, এইটো ছোট ছোট ছেন্দা থাকা হোল থাকা, তো এইটোকে পোর্স কয়। তো এইটো পোর্স তো আমি হান কি একচুয়াল সাইজ হব লাগে, ওটো সাইজ তাইব্রা মেনটেন কৰি কিনে ৰাখিব। Friends, so this is all about a cleanser, that if we regularly using the cleanser, so our skin will be radiant and healthy, and it will reduce the problem of anti-aging, and it will maintain our pore size. So okay, so this is about cleanser. Now next I would like to tell you about the peeling gel. So it's another very important product we have, we will get when we buy the set of Atomy Evening Care set. So friends, see, I'm now about this peeling gel, I'm very excited, okay, to explain. Moi bishi excited ase এইটো লাগা এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন দিবলৈ আৰু আপুনি আনকি এনেকা এক্সাইটেড কৰি দিবলৈ মন তো peeling gel তো it's very popular in Asia okay this gel is very popular in Asia and এইটো স্কিন কে কি কৰে এক্সফোলিয়েট কৰি দিয়ে দে স্কিন কে আমি হাৰ্শ নকৰিব এব্ৰেছিভ নকৰিব বুলি তাই এক্সফোলিয়েট কৰি দিব এণ্ড আমি এইটো ইউজ কৰাৰ পাছে লাইক আমি বেছি ছেটিছফাইড হৈ যায় এইটো peeling gel use kora passe so after using this peeling gel we will feel our skin will be very smooth and it will be renewed like renewed means amihan renew kore to kiba ekta to amihan la skin to eta biya hoi jaise to etu renew koribole start hobo so aru bi ase etu la benefits what exactly is a peeling gel now we should understand what exactly is a peeling gel okay so it's a form of physical exfoliation. It is extremely gentle and soothing, making it perfect exfoliator for sensitive skin. Unfortunately, dead skin cells won't go away after a good cleanser. Sad but true. Okay, itu hosa ase. Khali amihan cleanser hi use kurse kole to amihan proper benefit na pabo ki pabole ase. To itu logote amihan itu bi cholabo lage. So this exfoliating your skin however will help get rid of all that allowing your products to skin in absorb better and skin amihan la ki korbo etu bra bisi ki kobo product absorb koribole tai ekta power olai dibo amihan la skin bra okay to etu use kora pase amihan ki apply kori ase etu bisi absorb koribo paribo tai and how does it work Peeling gel help dissolve dead skin cells. When it applied, it will ball up in teeny pieces, extracting dead skin cells as you gently rub the product on your face. The product reacts to the oil on surface of your skin and creates clumps that help pick up dead skin cells. So if you're wondering what all those teeny peels on your face are, this your dead skin and the product itself, it will make you cool. So etu ki kore amihan la dead skin cell to etu ke dissolve koribo taibra okay amihan kita peeling gel use koribo to amihan la dead skin cells to ase etu cell ke to taibra dissolve korigina etu choto choto ball pieces te taike different kori dibo aro etu ke ekdom rub miski kobo extract kori dibo te tai amihan la skin pra তো amihan kitia etu rub kore na rub kora time de gel to olai to amihan na to etu rub utu gel logote etu amihan la dead skin cells to utu bi olai jabo okay and after that surface of your skin and creates clumps that help pick up dead skin cells so this what this peeling gel is to do so the main work is that the dead skin which we have after applying the peeling gel it will make our skin dead skin in a teeny particles and when we rub the product on our skin so automatically it will extract from the skin and it will remove okay now benefits after using this peeling gel another benefit which we are going to get from this benefit definitely you will be looking very different after using this apni la skin to bishi alag dikhibo ekta and it minimize the look pores and it does the job without being too harsh on your skin okay it will not harsh to your skin but it will definitely do its job and itu pasode is make our skin very brightness okay so it will be glow the skin will be bishi glow hoi jabo and after using this the product will penetrate and the new layer of healthy skin will be formed after using this peeling gel and one of the best thing about peeling gel is that it does not have a burning sensation when you massage the product in fact it will feel so smooth silky effortless no harsh rubbing involved there's also the instant gratification when you see the tiny peels of product and dead skin the product is great to use if you want to smooth makeup especially great for teenage skin okay so this what it does that the good thing about this peeling gel is that itu আমি হানকে burning sensation না থাকে আমি হান message বি আরাম পৰা কৰিব পাৰে একো harsh বি আমি হান feel নকৰিব আৰু বেছি silky like we don't have to put so much effort, okay, to apply this, okay, to rub on our skin. So this way is really a benefit. So the main work is that it will remove the dead skin cells from our skin. And a peeling gel you can use twice in a week. And if your skin is really if you have a problem of pigmentation and then other skin problems, so you can use say 3 to 5 times in a week also, but we are using twice in a week, okay, and everybody is recommending. So আমি হান এটো দুইবার চলাব পারি উইক তে হলিবি যদি আপনি লা স্কিন বেশি বিয়া আছে তো আপনি এটো 3 times 4 times you can use, okay, and after using you will see the difference, okay. And we have the best peeling gel product, so you can try this. So friends, if your skin is so if it is damaged, then you can go for 3 to 5 times in a week. But if your skin is not so damaged and is good, but you want to see the changes, then obviously you can use twice in a week. So this was about peeling gel. Now next we will see about peeling mask, okay. So this video is becoming very lengthy, but friends see apni han use kurubo kuli to eto sob janibo lagbo ar jani kine he apni dusra han ke bhi kobo paribo. So now peel off marks, we have 6 points, okay, why we should use this. So let me tell you one by one. It banishes the bad. Number 2, look younger, feel better. Number 3, shoo away the shine. Forgo the fuzz. Hello hydration. And the last but not the least, take a chill pill. So let me explain you one by one. So what are peel off marks, okay? Do peel off marks work? What have you answered, okay? So etu ekta question mark ase, really it will work or not na etu ami an use kora paste etu workout kuribo na nai. In fact, peel off facial marks works by gently removing the outermost layer of your skin to relieve dullness and dead skin. This produces a smoother skin texture and can also help balance out pigmentation. So ami koise olo pagetibi na etu pigmentation laga kam result beshi bhal ahi jabo aro manu khan benefit bhi pai ase. So what actually it does, the peel off marks, that it works on the outer layer, okay, the outer layer which we have on our skin. So utuke taipra dullness dead skin thaka to ituke relief kore utukhan pra. So this is what actually peel off marks work, that it works on the outermost layer of our skin. Now plus peel off marks can assist in fading fine lines and cleaning out pores. This can eliminate acne causing dirt and bacteria. Peel off marks are often vitamin, plant based or fruit extract based and formulated with charcoal, antioxidant and botanical ineka bishi apni pai jabo etu an thaka bra holibi ami han la etu bishi different ase. And let me tell you about the first point. It was a banish the bed, okay. What does it mean? Peel off marks are the type of physical exfoliant, which means they remove the top layer of skin to slog away dead skin cells, okay. So আমি আন স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ চাই আছে না, এটা তো লাস্ট তো আমি আন উপর লাগা হি বাঁচি যাইছে, তো উপর লাগা স্কিন কে তাতে কি কি বিয়া খান আছে এটো সব রিমুভ করব, okay, peel off marks. And our skin will be very smooth and look very glowy after using this. So this is what the banish the bed whatever we have on the outer layer of our skin, it will remove. And number 2, after using this you will feel very younger, look younger, and you will feel much better. And shoo away the shine. While a luxurious glow is coveted, too much oil production can leave skin looking a little too shiny. Peel off marks can alleviate the issue by helping to absorb excess oil from your skin while simultaneously unclogging and purifying your pores. This leaves you with a natural matte and clarified complexion. Okay. Now, কি হয় আমি হান এইটো আমি হান না কোনবালা স্কিন তো বেশি কি কব বেশি অয়েলি আছে তো না তো পাহাড়ে যাইলে বি লাইক বেশি অয়েলি থাকে ওকে তো পিল অফ মাস্ক আমি হান ইউজ কৰিছে গলে তো এইটো মেইনটেইন কৰি দিতা এবাৰ আৰু বেছি একটা আমি হান এইটো প্ৰব্লেমছ পৰা আমি হান সলভ আউট কৰিব পাৰে forego the first peel off marks effectively stick to the fine facial hair on your skin gently uproot those hairs when you take the mask off আৰু এইটো নহয় আমি হান ছোট ছোট চুলি থাকা না এইটো স্কিন দে faces দে okay so that also it used to remove একদম remove কৰি দি এইটো root পৰা তাই ওলাই দি so that is what the mean of forego the fuzz okay while peach fuzz may not be at all noticeable on some skin types some people search for way to get rid of it এইটো বেশি ছোট ছোট থাকে না আমি আর না দেখি তো উটো আমি আর মাস্ক প্রা এইটো সব রিমুভ করব পারিব so that what it does that the small hair which we cannot see very nicely but these ladies they want to remove this so this peel off marks will help to remove that all and another important is hydration it gives hydration to our skin okay and if our skin is hydrated definitely the skin is going to glow it will look very smooth it will look very shiny and people can attract toward us okay definitely so we are so busy okay now these times but if we use these products so definitely we can save our skin after using our Atomy skin care set okay now plus another thing is that if you skip moisturizing completely or live in a particular humid environment your skin is plus if you skip moisturizing so jodi etu apni skip kuri ase okay and luckily if you have a peel of marks can come to the rescue so if you are not moisturizing your skin and instead of that if you have a peel of marks so it can rescue that problem okay কিলে আমি আন ময়েশ্চার না লাগাইলে তো আমি না স্কিন ড্রাইড হয়ে যায় না according to this what to say a climate so in that this peel of marks will work out and take a chill pill so whether you are stressing about a work project or totally freaking out about meeting your in-laws for dinner party for meeting friends then a peel of marks is a great way to relax and take a breath okay so if you are making yourself for a parties if you are going anywhere in an event so take a breath relax and if you have a peel of marks it will do your work so friends so this is just an explanation about the product and I will make a demo of the product also so in a demo it will be very lengthy if I go on explaining and then doing the demo so the video will be too much lengthy so I thought of making a different video I mean just an audio clip about the information about the product and let me tell you another thing we have this all the beauty products and it's so good to use guys I will recommend all of you get this product use and any type of skin problem if you have first consult with your what to say with your active upline or with some skin expert and then go for this product no doubt that this product is working out but many of we have a different type of problem okay so this way we can remove the problem so better and you can do google about this all the product also is so good it's very natural no chemicals added that is why it is giving a result and that is why people are getting a result okay so you can see some you had seen some clippings I mean some pic also I had uploaded in this audio clip. So you can see that what to say, that madam is from our place only, from Nagaland. So this way the peoples are getting benefit, and really guys, believe me, just use one product of Atomy, friends. You will fall in love with Atomy products. Thank you. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and share. Okay, because this information should reach to many peoples. Okay, so people will definitely, they will come and ask that, okay, what is the uses of this, what is the benefit, I have this problem. So if you know if you know about the product, you can definitely explain them in a better way, and you can satisfy them with your explanation. So everybody should go through this video, get this video, listen nicely, and make your customers satisfied. Okay, so until and unless if you won't use the product, you cannot give a better explanation. So whoever we are working as a team, so everybody should use this product. Even I suggest to gents also. Okay, you guys, gents, you also can use this product. It's really very nice. I'm using this product. So thank you, and please like it, subscribe it, so that you will get a notification of another video, and share it. Thank you guys. Thank you.